Create and populate a data master to display dynamic data easily in your prototypes. In this example, we have created a data master and populated it with entries related to an airport's flight information. To reproduce the example, create a web prototype. Select the Data Masters tab on the right of the Outline tab. Here, create a new data master by clicking on the plus icon. In the dialog that appears, give your data master a name by typing it into the Name field. To add a data master field, click on the plus icon on the right. Fill in the names of the fields as desired. Change the type field selections to match the example by choosing from the drop-down menu provided. You have 6 different data master fields types: text, date, category, which displays a value from a range of predefined values, true or false, file upload, and multi-category, which displays a set of values from a range of predefined values. Click OK. Back in the canvas, double-click on the Data Master to edit it again. Go to the View and Edit Records tab and fill in the records as desired or with our entries to match the example. Click OK. And that's it. You have now created and populated a data master in your prototype. You will be able to create tables, data lists, and grids with it, using your real data as needed.